Hey there! Experiencing the dreaded Cash App Please Try Again Later error? Don't worry, you're not alone. This frustrating issue can block you from accessing your funds or making smooth transactions. In this guide, we'll tackle how to fix the Cash App Please Try Again Later error and get your app back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should always consider when you encounter the Please Try Again Later error is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection might be causing the issue. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data to test the difference. Open a browser and try loading a website to confirm your internet is working properly. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Using an outdated version of Cash App could be triggering the error. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for available updates for the app. If an update is available, download and install it. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so your issue might be resolved with a simple update. Step 3. Clear cache and app data. Sometimes residual data or cache can interfere with the app's performance. To clear your cache, navigate to your phone's settings. Find the Apps section and locate Cash App. Tap on it and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 4. Verify your account information. Double-check your account information to ensure everything is accurate. If Cash App flags any irregularities, it might restrict access as a security measure. Verify linked bank accounts, phone numbers, and email addresses. If any information seems incorrect, update it accordingly. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried the above steps and are still encountering the Please Try Again Later error, reaching out to Cash App support might be your best bet. Go to the app support section and file a report outlining your issue. Be as detailed as possible. The more information they have, the easier it will be for them to help you resolve the issue. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, consider deleting and reinstalling the Cash App on your device. Uninstall the app completely and reboot your phone before downloading it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. This may resolve any app-specific bugs causing the error. Facing the Cash App Please Try Again Later error can be unsettling, especially when you're trying to access your funds or make a quick transaction. But with these steps, you can troubleshoot the issue and ideally get your app functioning smoothly again. Remember, whether it's checking your internet connection, updating the app, or even reinstalling it, there's almost always a solution at hand. If all else fails, reaching out to Cash App support can provide further assistance tailored to your situation. Be patient and methodical in your approach, and you'll likely find the fix you need. Good luck.